Hello, barrister. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Just that there is something I think you should know.
What is it?
The Prince of Obaha Kingdom. One of your students.
Mm-hmm. And what about him?
He came to my office. He complained bitterly of how you assaulted and murdered his girlfriend.
Don't mind that little boy. He has no evidence. Don't mind him.
Oh no, he does. He actually came into my office with a recording he did, where you and your boys were jubilating after the murder of the girl. I heard your voice. I heard everything. He even said he's going to negotiate with the network providers to give him a call log where you were calling your boys, instructing them on how to go about the murder.
Barrister, please. Barrister, please. I hope he did not leave your office with those recordings.
I tried to confuse that young man into leaving the phone with me, but I couldn't. That is why I'm calling you right now.
Hello, Commissioner. Oh, of course it's me, Prince. Yes, sir. I have a little problem. Some boys are trading me. Yes. I'm driving down Giwa Road. I'm driving a white Honda. And they're in a blue car. Okay. Yes, sir. Alright, you mean I should go into Musa Street? Your boys will be there to intercept them. Alright. I'll do that, sir. Thank you.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot.
Pope, this is the right time. Do this in the Pope's way.
Officers, hope no problems.
This happened earlier that day I was shot. After I transferred the information to a tape.
So what do we do now? And what about the tape?
The tape is in my house. Somewhere safe. Very safe.
Austin, we need to act very fast before things get out of hand. Please.
The only way out is to get the tape. And I can't go to my house. I cannot risk you going to my house. So, I don't know how I'm going to get the tape. Wait, I've got it.
What is it?
I have a cousin, Sarah. I'll call her, see if she can get the tape for me.
Now that's a glimpse of hope. Can you now sleep?
With my angel by my side. Okay, so remember everything I said. Remember where I told you the tape is. Don't forget. Good. That's the key to my house. And here's some money for your transport. Be very careful. Listen, this is no joke. Depends on that tape. Get it for me, please.
Don't worry, brother. We are all in this mess together. I'll be back, trust me.
Alright, let's go. Thank you.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they're trying hard to gun us.
Guy, as it be say you don't carry pin, puncture my bloom bloom. Shebi you don't happy, abi?
See, bros, I don't have time for your jokes now. Huh?
No, what nonsense now? Now who the joke with you, Pan? I dey lament for my babe where you late. The babe where I dey program. Now you carry this your print nonsense, come siphon her. It makes sense.
Bros, I am not in the mood for this now. Huh? Don't push me to the wall, I'll lose my temper.
Now lose it now. What is it, Seth? I don't like a tench. If you be prince now for your popsy palace, no be here. They hear me. Austin, I don't target you, tete. But it remains small. If Victor cry for you, my basi. If foot smith no cat hunter. Victor go cry for you. sorry. I've been running. I just needed to meet you guys up. I stopped by the supermarket to get this for you.
Can you imagine? So what is my business you running? Huh? No, tell me. See, bros, I have told you. Whatever intention you have, I don't want to know. Stay away from me. I am telling you.
Please, I am sorry, okay? My intentions are not harmful. All I want you to do is just hear me out, okay?
Keep it to yourself. Whatever intention you have, just keep it to yourself. I don't want it. I don't need it.
Okay, fine. You don't want to hear me out. I'm good. But can you take this? I bought them for you. Please don't reject a gift from my humble, innocent heart. I beg you.
Let me tell you. I don't need your gifts. I don't need anything that concerns you. Okay? Better get that in your brain.
Hold on, sweetie. It's just a gift. And you shouldn't reject such gift from him. Take it from him.
Christy, I don't want any gift from him.
It's time and effort.
No, I don't want. I will slap you. I don't want.
Just a gift.
Let me run. Stay in.
Your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable. 'Cause I want it to happen. Yeah.
AJ, you're very, very stubborn. Yes, you're very, very stubborn. I mean, after all I did to you, you're still coming back.
Yeah, that's because I know what I want, and I'll stop at nothing to get it. See, pretty, I must confess you gave me a challenge of my life.
Really? Well, it's okay. At least you've proven to be man enough for you to have won my heart.
You see, I should be thanking you for accepting, my friendship. And I promise to be good, okay?
Fine. At least you can rest now. Me too, I can rest. Yes.
Thank you.
So I almost forgot. That clothes you bought, they are so nice. I love them.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. I should be thanking you for accepting a gift from me, my humble self. Thank you.
No, really. No, I don't accept gifts from strangers because I don't want anything that will jeopardize me in the school.
I understand.
Yeah.
I do.
Fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to guard.
No, now. Why this nigga go fuck me up and go scot-free now? You know they happen. He must fall because Vulture don't cry. Eh? They expel him from school. Now my racket be that. Don't be my racket now. My own be say any mumu Jones in go follow him. Ostano, you don't fuck up bad. And fuck up could be your portion. Now so it be now. Yes. You don't Jones in go follow you. The thing be say, as Vulture don't cry for your head, tomorrow night go be the main night, and we go know who be the real masquerade. Now so you just be you. AJ no dey find trouble. You carry your own come. My head. Ostino, Vulture don't cry for your head.
I see them are rude boys, fighting trying hard to cut us down.
Alright, take this letter and the tape to the Commissioner of Police. Please listen. I did not say DPO, I said Commissioner of Police. Right? Insist on seeing the Commissioner of Police. If they try to stop you, tell them you were sent by me, the Prince of Ubaha Kingdom. Alright? When you see him, make sure he plays the tape before you. Okay? Before you leave.
Okay.
Yes. What else? Baby, do you have some cash with you?
Yes, I do.
For your transport.
All right. I'll be on my way right now. Okay. I'll call you as soon as I see the Commissioner of Police.
All right.
Take care. Bye.
Don't worry. Relax. Everything will be fine.
Oh, this is the tape and everything.
You might keep it a bit more. You might keep it a bit more. Gentlemen, with this evidence at our disposal, we can now see that the complainant is now the culprit, okay? Sir, IPO. Sir. See that that man with detained is released immediately without further delay, okay? Inform all the patrol team to make sure I ought to be on the lookout for the real offender, okay?
All correct, sir.
Young lady.
Yes, sir.
Try and communicate with the prince. Tell him that all the charges against him will be dropped and that all the culprits will be brought to book. And I will make sure I lead the team that will arrest them myself, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. But, what about the media publications?
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I will communicate with the headquarters immediately and that will be done as soon as possible. Also, I will get a letter of apology to the Royal Highness, at least to apologize for the embarrassment we have caused the royal household, okay? Father, I will make sure I deliver the letter to the Igwe myself.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Right. So bless you.
All right.
No, DPO, this is outrightly unacceptable. I mean, this is an expensive joke. What kind of expensive joke is this? Look, this is akin to primordial behavior in the 21st century. It's an aberration of ethical behavior. How can a professor of my caliber be arrested by a gang of low-ranking police officers, besieging me and the citadel of higher learning, where I am discharging my lawful duties before my students? No, DPO, there must be a mistake somewhere. This behavior is totally unacceptable. It's a humiliation.
Will you shut up? I said shut up! This is not the classroom. This is my office, police station. Do you know that? Look, listen to me. It's no time for you to speak all this your grammar. There's no need for that now. Now listen. Maybe when you listen to this tape, you start telling me the truth. Silence!
Hey, bro. I want you to shut your mouth and never you reveal the guy. You know, did you get me right? Yes, sir. Yeah, you. Yes, sir. This one you're looking at me like an animal, which you are. Listen, look at me. Did you hear what I just told him now? Yes. If I hear the right person from your mouth, you know that my custody. I'll dash you to the bed. Stop! I said stop! Stop! Maya, tell him. You talk to me. I know you can tell me something. Okay, who came down? Miss who? Come on! You don't mind. You don't mind it. It's not true. It's not true. It's not true.
I'm sorry. He put me. He put my. It's Bravo.
Prof Peter.
Bravo, celebrity.
Prof Peter.
Hey, get up! Who? Friend!
I'm saying, talk to me. Something, yes. Yes, I'm a professor. I'm a professor. You're a professor.
Bro,
Yeah, I
you not can blow up.
No, I know. I'm a professor.
Talk to me. Who's dying of her? Who killed her? Rotoko!
I'll blow up.
You know what, huh?
Rotoko is not water.
Come here. Who killed her?
Water.
You want water? You want water? I'll give you water. Who died of her? Who killed her? You need water? Okay. Who killed her?
I'll talk now. I'm a professor.
Bro, you know what I can do?
I know what
you not can blow.
I know.
Okay, talk to me now. Who killed her?
Now wait. Water. I'll give you.
Who now your hand? Talk to me. Talk to me.
We did it.
You did it? Bro, you did it.
We did it. We killed us kill it. Us kill us. Hey, when you so no matter where we kill Prince. Simple. Austin Agaba is not the one.
Then who?
Austin George. Kill everybody. Kill everybody. Yes.
Hey! Come there now! Drop your gun! You will go and shoot. Hey! Come there!
So this smoke go draw for lockback for this place, Abi.
Shut up! I'm not like you.
Now, being you they call am robber.
If you talk now, I will.
Ostaino.
Austin John. Officer, that's him. Officers, that's him.
Yeah.
That's Austin John.
Yeah?
Prof and his boys confessed that the murders with Austino sign were committed by one Austin John. That's him.
What?
Officer. Calm down. I did my own. Vulture can cry. She na person wey fuck up. Na fuck up go reach Abi. Those people then Johnson reach them. None of my fault.
Officer, you let it go. Move.
My son, you are welcome once again. I decided to put you through the rigors of narrating the story again in the presence of everyone because of the report Emeka, his son, brought back home, which was why I reacted the way I did when you came back. But now, my heart is filled with joy because you have proved Emeka wrong.
Yes.
I can now join my ancestors when my time comes with my reputation intact. This calls for celebration, and that's why you are seeing all this.
Thank you, Father. Before we start celebrating, let me quickly say this.
Okay.
The lady beside me, Choma, God used her to preserve my life, to save me. If not for her, I would have been dead by now. Yes, so I want to say that she is the woman I intend to spend the rest of my life with.
Hey, my lord, did you hear that? My son, you're welcome. My daughter, you're welcome. Welcome. My son, that's the right choice you made. She's beautiful.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can't be separated. Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, cause I want it to bound. Yeah, my heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress.
Are we not supposed to go back to school?
Go back to do what? I'm not going back to school.
No, but then you have to complete your studies.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Really? Then I would have to leave you.
Don't leave me
I
to
will
where?
have to.
You're not going anywhere. No,
Why?
no, it's not possible. You're not going anywhere.
Singer, I do.
I know.
I know it.
What? Jesus!
Jesus! Jesus!
He's going to remain like this for some time because the accident really affected his head. Please, I'll need you to keep your eyes on him. And if you observe any change, do not hesitate to call my line. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, doctor.
Wale, wait, come see what I see. That girl went get out the way they carry come. She's still there alive. She's still there breathe.
Which girl be that one? Which girl?
That fair girl now, we get us the way this will carry come here. She's still there breathe.
Wait. That girl where they carry come deposit for our mortuary.
Yeah, that girl where they carry come. She's still there alive. She's still there alive.
I just pray he comes out of coma very soon. Who knows where he is?
Wait, I want to know something. Is this the normal way you care to all your patients in this hospital?
What is that supposed to mean?
Because your emotional feelings towards that guy is beyond normal nurse-patient relationship.
Meg, I think you have overstayed your welcome. Come and go.
No, I was only joking, okay?
We don't even allow visitors to watch us attend to our patients. Leave.
Oh, sorry, I will leave.
Joking or not, go.
Okay, fine. Attend to your patient. I'll be back.
Don't worry, she'll be alright.
Okay.
Just make sure you administer the routine drugs. But who brought her here?
Some guys from the mortuary. They took her there thinking she was dead.
Wonderful. Quite miraculous. Okay, just do what I told you to do.
Alright, take care. Come on, sweetheart. You're okay now. I thank God for you. Yeah. Don't worry about that, okay? Just rest a little. I'll tell you everything. Oh my God. Doctor! Doctor! Miss Park! Doctor!
Hi, dear.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable. Cause I want it now.
I brought you some goodies. And I know you're going to enjoy it. Just let me go pick something. And I'll be back to tell you sweet stories. Okay? Okay. I'll come back.
Please. Be a good boy. What's your name? I mean your name. Maybe he's thinking.
I mean, where you hail from, where you reside.
Sweetheart, just say something. Your name, anything, so that I can go home.
Rose.
Yes, doctor.
Maybe he needs a break. We may take him out for some strolling.
Okay, doctor.
Alright.
Let's go. Relax. Just relax.
Relax, calm down, okay?
Dr. Sam.
Yeah?
What do you think we should do now?
There is nothing much that can be done. He only needs time to regain his memory. You see, from all the tests conducted, there is no brain damage.
Okay, so like how fast can he recover?
Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, or even next year. If he sees or hears anything that is so dear to his heart, that shock would be reversed. But that is under high probability though.
Okay, I know you have tried for him, but...
Yes, we've tried. But there's nothing to worry about, eh? Alright, take care. Okay. Hello?
My lord, why are you not approaching the issue of our missing place with all seriousness? Sir, what is all we're talking about here?
No, how else could I be more serious? My guards have been on routine check everywhere. The police is watching. I have even sent for the DPO because there is this thing I am suspecting.
What do you suspect?
You remember that lunatic who was killing people on campus, who threatened to kill the prince?
What about him? I thought he has been incarcerated.
I was informed that he was released on mental ground and confined into an asylum where he escaped.
Oh my God. Hey, God have mercy on me. Don't allow that lunatic to kill my son.
No, nothing has happened to us. Everything is under control. Forget that.
Nurse, anyone who checks should wait. I'll be back in a jiffy. Let me take her home.
Okay, sir. She needs a company to share her home.
See you soon. Yeah, check on that woman in Ward 5.
Okay, I will, sir.
Alright.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, I'll come and see you. Take good care of yourself.
Thank you.
All I'm saying is this. First thing first. Get well, get strong. First. After which you can then talk about your fiancé. Okay?
Doctor, I'm just worried. I hope he's alive. I just hope.
Come on. He is alive, believe me. All you need to do is to put yourself together. Of course, that will quicken your recovery. Okay? Mary?
Yeah, welcome, Daddy.
Yeah, how are you?
Welcome. Thank you.
She's Shioma. My patient, of course, my daughter now. I brought her here to feel at home so that she can recover quickly.
Okay. Get out, no problem.
She's Mary.
My name is Chioma.
Okay. The best of friends, huh?
Okay.
Okay, just go.
Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it.
Choma, what is it again? You should be grateful to God every moment of your life. Someone involved in a ghastly auto crash was taken to mortuary for embalmment, but God brought you out from it. You should be singing praises to God every day.
These are not tears of sorrow. They are tears of joy. I haven't fully recovered from the shock. I do not know the whereabouts of my man.
The God that saved him will deliver him too. He might be elsewhere, getting better. So, my dear, when you are fully sound, you can trace him. Okay? So stop crying. Don't hurt yourself, huh?
I know he's alright wherever he is. Austin is a very strong and fortunate man. My fear is that the worries over my whereabouts may hurt him more than the accident. I know Austin. I know he is thinking about me.
Okay. You'll be fine. Huh? Okay? So stop crying. Don't hurt yourself, okay? So let's go inside.
Doctor, you sent me.
Yes, Rose. Please sit down. I want us to discuss about our special guest.
What about him?
You see, I observe is approximately fit medically. What he needs is more of psychological attention and care. Leaving him will lead to accumulation of more bills. Like, you know, his bills are already enormous.
How do we achieve this? I mean, where do we take him to? Or do you have anywhere in mind?
Rose, to be sincere with you, that has been my challenge.
Okay, doctor. I'll sleep over it and I'll get back to you. But the bills, what about it?
I will see what to do about that.
Okay.
You may take your leave.
Thank you, sir.
What is it?
I called you here for a very important matter.
Fire on. I'm listening.
I want to bring him home.
Him? Who is him?
My patient now, the one in the hospital. I want to bring him home for care.
Why are you laughing? I said it. I said that the way you always had your eye on that guy is normal. I mean, it's beyond normal nurse-patient relationship. I knew you were up to something else. Rose.
Don't make fun of this now, please. I called you for you to render a psychological assistance. Because that's what the doctor said he needs. Not for you to say rubbish.
Wait. When did you start home care services? Huh? Hey, okay, fine, it's okay. So how much are you going to pay me?
May, can't you ever, in this your life, be serious?
Of course I'm serious. I mean it. Okay, am I going to be serious when you find me in your hospital?
No, I'm not joking.
No, wait. I mean it. Pay me.
Doctor, I've resolved to take our guest home.
To which home?
My house, of course.
Rose, how can you cope with that, considering the workload?
Not to worry, doctor. My friend Meg, she's a psychological expert, and she has accepted to give a helping hand. And also the bill. I'll settle it.
Rose, are you certainly not up to something?
Oh, doctor, please. It's just a humanitarian service. It's nothing. Okay, let's start with this one first. Apple. Apple. You can do this. Apple. 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 That's a good one. Banana. Na. Banana. Banana. You can do this now.
Hi guys. Hi. How's everybody?
You came late. Why?
Oh. As if you don't know the traffic condition in this city. Anyway, how is him?
He's improving, as you can see. You're yet to tell me what does the magic.
Ah, okay. That means you have to pay for cycle lecture. Okay? Anyway, let me get to work. So, sweetie. So, how are you? Okay, don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
Take it easy with him.
Have you eaten? What you want?
Look, you will hurt yourself if you continue this way. You should know that tears never solve problems. Just relax. Very soon things will take shape. It will soon be okay. Okay? Relax.
How can I relax? How can I relax when my son is missing? And you don't seem to be bothered.
What are you talking about?
What have you done? What have you done to see that he's back? He left this home over 1 month. You don't even care,
Okay. Or is it when I start wetting the whole palace with my tears just like you are doing? You will know that I'm touched, that I'm moved. Why do you always like to accuse me of negligence of responsibilities? See, for the past 2 weeks, I have been on the neck of the divisional police officer, and he just called me minutes ago informed me that that lunatic has been arrested. Yes.
And where did he say my son is?
Oh, relax. He said I'll get those details to me. You see? Relax. Can we now sleep in peace? Relax. Let's sleep, okay? My chiefs, I greet you. I actually never wanted to bother you with this issue, but it is also a state matter. My son, the prince of this kingdom, has not been seen for about a month now. In fact, everything humanly possible has been done to get him, but no positive result yet. So I decided to bring it to the floor of this council for discussion.
Your Highness.
Yes.
I thought he has been found.
Oh, this is the second time it has happened.
Now, if indeed it is the second time, then someone is definitely behind it.
Really, the young man that every hand is pointing at has been arrested 2 times. But the information I gather now shows that he is sick upstairs. And so nothing. And so nothing is coming from there.
This is a very serious matter.
Yes.
I suggest we make it public. Let's make it public.
How do you mean?
Oh, announce it on the radio and television. And possibly propose a reward for anyone that has useful information about him.
As simple as that.
Sorry to bother you. Doctor, I came to tell you of my intention to trace the prince back home. At least to let his people know about the accident.
Chioma, this is not the best idea for now. Because you will whip up sentiment. I will advise you should have a little more patience. If you don't hear from him, I will personally assist you in tracing his whereabouts. Okay? Just go in. Let me.
Doctor, I keep having this impression that something may have gone wrong somewhere. Reasons he hasn't even tried to reach me.
Look, listen, Chioma. If something is truly wrong anywhere, you shouldn't be the one to break the news. Do you understand? But it is true. Because you'll be hurting yourself the more. All you need is to calm down. Be a little bit patient the more.
Doctor, Doctor, everything...
Let me go. I have a patient waiting for me.
Orange, show me orange. That was a good one. Okay. Mango. Show me strawberry. Correct. Okay, the last but not the least, let's go. Banana.
How are you doing today? You're fine, right? Okay, so I want us to sing a song. Just to remember the song. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above us was so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow! So you still remember the song? Okay, so should we sing it again? Alright, we just go one more time. Then we'll sing another one, okay? Alright, let's go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above you so high. Wow. You're welcome. Wow.
See me, I was rushing that, thinking that everywhere would have gone through.
Why do you think like that's not funny?
It's not possible.
And it's happy.
Yes, love is happy.
Yeah.
I can feel that in love. Yes, love is and Rose bought something for love?
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Alright, so go with your food, okay? That's good boy. Wow.
So happy. How did you do that?
I'm as surprised as you are. Of course, it just leads to exercise and a psychotherapy. That's all.
Psychotherapy?
Of course.
What kind of psychotherapy?
Have you heard of a man named Sigmund Freud?
No.
Okay. I think you should book a class 1 or 2 with him because he's a specialist on a psychoanalysis.
I will be very much interested in that.
It's okay.
Because when he was happy, as you can see, he is. I am so grateful to you.
All thanks to God.
Chama, what is it again? Why don't you put yourself together and forge ahead in life? For how long will you continue like this? My dear, you will not understand. What is there to understand? Each time I remember Austin, my body runs cold. The only way to purge my emotions is through tears. It's dangerous bottling it. It's okay, dear. I understand your feelings. But I want you to have a confidence in God. He will bring your Austin back to you. Okay? Amen. Yeah. Amen. Amen.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me.
calm down. What is it?
Lord is hungry. Lord is angry.
Calm down. Calm down.
Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, you know what? Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Listen to me carefully, okay? You know what to tell him. Just tell him that love is beautiful. Love is a hero. Love is a king. Love is a prince. Just tell him to stop yelling for food, okay? That he's a good guy. Just tell him anything. I'll be right there. You mean he did all this? God, just calm down, okay? Calm down. Everything will be fine. What happened to you here? Eh?
Please, I'll tell you later, please.
Hi. It's okay. Just calm down.
What's up now? What is it about this your psychotherapy stuff? And the name Sigmund Freud?
Why the question now?
I need to understand everything now. It seems you're the only person that can calm him down. Please, I need to learn this your formula seriously.
Do you know what? It's not that easy. Okay? But I need to explain his situation for you so you understand it.
Okay.
From the doctor's reports, there is no trace of injury to the brain. Probably he is suffering from psychopathic shock, which can only be cured through psychotherapy. Do you understand me? Okay. Just relax. I will always be here to help you. I know you won't understand now. Take it easy. Everything will be fine.
Please.
Okay? Don't worry. He will be fine, okay?
Dr. Sam, you needed to have seen the way he devoured the meal.
Oh my dear, I'm so sorry. I ought to have told you not to allow him starve even for a minute. He will react the same way again.
I was so scared. Thanks to Meg with her psycho stuff and her timely intervention with food. Who knows what would have happened?
I will advise you don't allow anything irritate him.
Thank you.
Okay? May God help your effort.
What is it this time around? You look so downcast. Is it still having to do with this your prince?
Doctor, I can't get my mind off him. I think I should find out his whereabouts.
But Chioma, we've concluded on what to do. We've already decided. See, you just have to give me some little time. All you need to do is to bear with me till the end of the month. Soon you'll be leaving. End of the month when I'll be able to collect my take-home package, then I'll be able to finance it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry for putting you through all the stress. Please, sir, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. Take it.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me.
Rosé.
Jude! Jude!
Rosé.
I'm off to work. I want you to see something. That guy there is my friend and our patient. He's here to fully recuperate from psychological disorder. A condition that makes him go frantic whenever he gets hungry. So please, endeavor to give him food at the right time. Please.
Wait. Rosé, you say that guy the Gulu?
Shh! Forgive me. Just do as I said and stop asking me stupid questions. Love to work.
Rose, this thing you're saying is a miracle. If what you're saying is anything to go by.
Doctor, I mean everything of what I said.
Really?
I mean, when I left the house this morning, he was reading a magazine.
Really?
Yes.
Well, in most cases, people tend to show some signs of mental recovery.
Doctor, I don't think he falls into that category. He's approximately fine.
Rosé.
Jude.
Good afternoon. Rosé, you need to see what happened. You see that madman, eh? That man where you live for
Austin?
Austin, the mad guy now, eh? The guy is totally don't go mad again. Go to scatter everything. See my face. See my face now. See. Hi.
Doctor, please. I'll see you. Let's go. Come, let's go.
No, come on. You better come for Lamo. Come for Lamo. Rosé.
True love is 'Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause I want it to bound.
Rosé, this money is too small now, eh? This money is too small. This money will not be enough for me and Mama now, eh?
Just manage it now, yeah? Manage it. As you can see, my guests need serious financial attention. And I can't empty the house.
So Rosé, so now because of this man where they could look, let me be just
shut up, Mama. Shut up. Go, I'll call my mom.
I'll tell Mama everything, no. I'll tell Mama everything, you will see.
My head has agreed to you. You sent for me.
Yes, DPO. It is very, very crucial you are here. Chief Akama, over to you.
DPO, you are aware that the prince of this community is missing, aren't you?
Yes, I'm aware. My men and myself are on top of the situation.
You and your men have not done enough. Yes, you have not done enough. However, we have not called you here to apportion blames. But the situation at hand is that the king of this community is healed because of the missing prince.
Who does not know? Everybody is aware.
DPO, the king has made a vow to reward anyone with useful information on the prince with the sum of 5 million naira. You must get cracking because we do not want to lose our king. Get cracking.
I've heard you, but let me inform you here that we, the police, do not work because of ransom. No, our duty is to protect the lives and properties of all the citizens of this country. However, I assure you that we will look for the prince and bring him back here alive. And all those criminals will face the law. Thank you.
Please do. Yes. You must get tracking because we don't want to lose our king. Please.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can be separated. 'Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their thirst except the smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
Prince Austin.
Take
Prince Austin.
my hands and hold it.
Mary! Mary!
Look into my eyes and tell me this love is unbreakable.
Doctor,
Sure, ma.
there was a telecast about Austin earlier today.
And what is it about?
He's been missing over a month now and was last seen with me.
You can't be serious. What station was that?
It was also said that his father, the Igwe, and his cabinet have pledged the sum of 5 million naira. To anyone who finds him.
Wait a minute. Did you say 5 million naira? So he is a prince. I did not think in that light before. Look, Chioma, we have to hasten up. Prince must be found. 5 good million naira.
Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our world is apart.
Doctor, what do we do now?
There must be some hospitals around here. Let us check their records. That will help us to an extent.
Doctor, I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
Okay. Calm down. Calm down, let's go.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
Good day, Matron.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. You're welcome.
I am Dr. Moses from Lokoja General Hospital.
Okay.
Is the doctor on seat?
No, he's not on seat. Well, how may I help you?
Okay. We're here to find out if any patient was brought here by name Austin Agaba at about...
approximately a month and 3 weeks.
Yes, about a month and 3 weeks ago.
Okay, let me check on my record. No, doctor, there's no such record here. But there is another hospital down the road. Maybe you could ask them.
Okay, down this road?
Yes, down the road, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Thank you.
My heart is for you, only for you. You are my strength, you are my comfort in my distress. My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your
My daughter, you have put up a very high-spirited effort in tracing your man, but you can see the futility of our journey. I advise you should go home and replan. Okay?
Doctor.
Yeah.
Do you think Austin is still alive?
Come on, my dear. Don't be pessimistic. Always be positive in life. Let us just go home and devise another means of tracing him. Okay? Let's go.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable.
Hey, they have gotten me. They
They have gotten my rose. Oh, they have gotten my rose. Who must have done this to me? Who must have done this to me? Hey, my rose. When the rose needs you don't need a
Oh.
Hey, who must have done this? Oh, my enemies, yes, I know. My enemies are at work. Cannot be true, cannot work for them. Cannot work for them, cannot work for them. Hey, they can measure.
You think I'm lying? Mama, if not for that taekwondo training that I've been going for, that guy, that madman, Onyala, that guy would have rearranged my facial morphology. I'm telling you, Mama, when his madness started, I just dey watch him. I was not happy. I just dey watch him. He started destroying everything in the house. He started destroying sister things. I just pose dey watch him. He hit me. I dodged. I now pose. I gave him a snake in monkey shadow. Hey, Mama, trust me now. You know what I can do. You know what I can do now.
My son, I trust you. I trust you. I know what you can do. I know what you can do.
Mama, I swear I must kill that madman. He will not go free. I must kill that man. Yes, be my sister. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. I know what to do.
My daughter. God, my enemies are at work.
Don't worry. Leave the battle for me. Leave the battle for Jude.
You know that angel?
What angel?
There's this angel that feels the vacuum. You know, there's this space in my heart that she feels. The face comes to me, but I'm not so sure. Are you the one?
My baby boy. There's no other angel but me. I'm so happy that you're beginning to recognize me. Just come on. Come on, hold your angel.
Okay. I don't know. I can't seem to place the face very well, but I feel something is just not right happening.
My prince, my hero, I'm so excited that you're back. And I love you clearly, my queen. Just love me. Hello? Mom. No! Mom, that's a lie. Jude is lying. Mommy, there's nothing of such. Jude is lying. He's lying. How can you believe him? Mom, I'm not caught up for this argument. Please, let me call you back.
Is there any problem?
Listen to me. Listen to me. So, let's go back to our day.
Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this.
Austin. Is this not Austin?
Yes, that's you.
If no be say I gallant, if no be for that taekwondo train where they go, I tell you now, that guy for don't fall my hand.
But wait. But why CC go keep that kind of person for your house? You like see fine.
Hey, no go there at all. It's na fine matter, that guy over fine. When I see that guy, I think say big CC don't go package one superstar like that. I even want to take picture with her. I don't know, say the guy they cool.
Maybe that one she carry over now.
But I can find open, you don't find pass me now.
You little monkey. Hey Jack, if no be say that guy dey kolo, no girl wey go see that guy wey no go trip, wey no go fall yakata back. I tell you, even Male dey reason me this morning say they go show. You think say they lie? You feel me? Once they enter here, una go two of una go see am with una eye, una go confirm am na.
We dey now. We go see am. Una go see am.
But that guy fine. Una kolo fineness. Hey! Hey! Me na maintain myself. Shh, me na maintain. Sisi Rosé. Rosé.
Hey, where's Mama?
Rosé.
My daughter Rose, as I don't hear from you finish so, I no come know wetin I go talk about for this matter. It can't be like say word don't finish for my mouth. But wetin I dey try make you understand for this thing be say, e no good make young girl like you be harbor person when the head no correct for house. Anything fit happen. See, na person life now we dey talk for years, so we not gonna leave the one we dey talk now, go begin talk on that thing. Mama, Austin is a very nice guy. And by my training, I can handle him very well. There's no cause for alarm. Okay, if you say so. As you see and so, you know say na you be only girl when I get. If you get as they take look for me today so they don't see me, na you. Why be say since when we dey talk, you know they contribute for what we dey talk? It was so.
Mama is okay. That's the mood he finds himself at the moment. But very soon, there would be another mood swap.
It's not mood swap.
Mood swap, and you know he's a very good guy.
This mood swap or swap, okay? Make it be a better one. No. This is not when you come begin to cause another thing for me in my house.
Nah, Ju. Who is this man? As I see this thing, I rush girl be take GK for their house. Then I say, see oh, hey GK, now make we carry this thing go show Jude. Now I can't remember what happened the other time. My antenna move, go magnet that joke. Like Radio Sapienza. I say GK, make we fall in, make you see am. Now why you come, make you still see what they happen. See am now.
Hey Jack, this my sister get class. This my sister, Sister Rosé, in get level. I no even know say this guy wey dey kolo na prince. I swear, 5 million no be akara money.
Abuche, money don land for our boss. Money don land for our doorstep. Yes. Oh, my man.
Hey, now wetin we go execute now? Shebi na to fall in police station. Tender our CV now. Now be that now.
Abi? Wetin reason?
Na the thing, but the koko be say, I have to relate with Big Sisi. You know as it be now to avoid point of order. Before I keep all over,
why you reason Big Sisi for this issue, God? Nah, Jude, you know wetin be my problem? Where you there? Every time you go, if you reason, you go say make you relate with Big Sisi. And you know see if Big Sisi still hear this thing, he go bring Katamotion. This thing na my construction company, na my personal construction company. Where we dey talk?
Wetin be your construction company? Now our construction company be that now. I'm not talking again, no. Don't try him again.
I don't take that from you. Make up now that it. Which one be una construction company? No, Abuche, take time.
I never reason now. Why you gonna say make we die?
What do you mean?
Me talk
No
die
talk am again. No talk am again. You hear me so?
You say make you die.
Me na die it. Which one be?
I go die alive. Eat that money. I go die alive.
Rosé. Where must you be?
In the backyard.
I beg you.
Can you not see that I'm busy?
See, Rosé. This your move no go pay this time around. Though. Jimmy, the market where I carry here, they very important. And you have a choice to make. Sure.
So he's a prince.
Follow me busy now.
Jude, now I know that something is wrong with your head.
See. You never reach for a level, eh? We know the poor now. Wait till we dey talk now. Wait me they talk. Na 5 million. 5 million no be akara money. Eh? See now. 5 million naira is enough to renovate this house where Papa don't build since 19. I don't know. 5 million naira is enough to repackage you, rebrand you. Eh? You feel me now? My still dey count am. 5 million naira is enough to add more swags to my platy swag. You know I get platy swags now. Eh? Easy now. Follow me from that angle I dey jam. Eh?
Are you done? Are you done talking? Listen, I would never be a party to this wicked plot of yours. No. And if you mention that to me again, I will arrest you. Leave my presence now.
See, Rosé, now because then I'm your boyfriend, I go kidnap him. Don't tell Mama.
Get out!
Okay, now no wala. I go kidnap that boy. You go see him. I will go tell Mama boss. You go see him. You see him? See? As Big Sisi no one play along, I can't say my involvement. You don't think why I suppose hear me this now? I just dey hold my side. Eh? Open. Take a look at the picture. Open. Yeah. Don't think why I hold myself. Yeah. Don't think why I hold myself. Now the guy with this.
Now the boy with this. Now the boy with the craze with this.
I tell you. See the money where they involve. See, 5 pillar.
So, what do you come want to with you now?
Now the thing we say, when we call Big Sisi, carry that guy, lock him up, rush to police station, call police. We go carry all this money you see now, 5 million. Go carry and go be our own. Now. Listen now.
Rose. What is it? If he could join Jude in his greedy intent, then I should not remain here.
Rose, don't do like that now. Don't do like that. See, maybe as you take understand that might be. Try to understand me now. Your mother, they helpless for this matter. I beg me, don't do me like this. I beg.
Mama, Mama, there's no point of you begging me. There's no point. I'm going.
Hey, Rose.
Let's go.
Rose,
Mama, leave me alone, John.
Rose, don't do me like this. Rose.
See, Mama, as big sister no one cooperate with me, I want me to cooperate with me, Mama. Mama, see, we go police station, we will go report this matter for police station. We don't make money, we don't make money, Mama, reason now.
Jude,
Mama,
how you dey talk like this? How you dey talk like person wey dey talk comot from your nose, no be from your mouth? That one no go solve the problem now, That one no be the best. Be the best.
Mama. Try. Mama, I know say you know go school. I know. But you dey for darkness. Now for dream you dey. I want me wake up. Mama, wake up. Wake up, go see the light. This thing wey we dey talk na 5 million naira. Me and you go police station, collect that money. You understand? Poverty, I am tired of poverty. I am tired of living for this house. See this ceiling. Every night if I want sleep, now so rat and the other one lizard they run for ceiling. You know one day for
I'm not fear. Hey, Chineke me. Now your sister will talk here.
Mama, let's take these people to police.
You want to put your sister in problem, Nabi? If you carry police go, they don't go arrest your sister.
No, it's Austin.
I keep quiet if you don't get better thing to talk. Make I hear what. Money, kill you.
What?
Rose! Come to my office now.
Doctor, I respect you a lot, but I'll do no such thing.
Young lady, why not be reasonable? We are talking about 5 million naira here.
Why is it that everybody's interested in the money? No one gives a hoot about the young man's sound health and welfare.
I am interested in the money because that is how we get my money back.
But I already promised to settle the bill.
But you've not done to your promise either, have you?
Dr. Sam, whatever your argument is in this matter, I will never consent in handing that young man over to the police. Austin is not a criminal.
Leave my office.
Get out!
Rosé! Rosé!
Do you know that the both of you could be arrested for deceiving an officer of the law?
Oh, officer, take it easy now. Take it easy, It hasn't got into that. You still try a number.
It has. In short, both of you are under arrest for distracting a police officer. Now move to the station.
No, officer, take it easy. It was not a wrong information, Maybe they want out. They will be back shortly. Calm down now. Wow.
Officer, please. I need you guys to calm down, okay? The girl in question is a staff It's my personal car. So there is nothing to worry about. I believe she might be reporting to work today or tomorrow. Please take it easy, okay?
When you get to the station, you can explain that. Don't let me use force on you. Move.
Now move.
Officer, calm down, calm down.
Move.
Wait, man, move. Now don't push me. No, man, move, man, move. Move, my friend.
Sweetheart, why didn't you tell me you were a prince?
Am I a prince? Yes. I don't know. Let's leave that part, okay? It doesn't matter. What matters is that I am with you and I'm happy.
And you will always be with me, okay? But soon you will go home. I will take you home, okay? I love you.
My dear, it's not easy. It's not a small thing.
Guess what?
What?
I've won a jackpot. Austin.
A jackpot?
Yes.
I know it's Austin. Is that his name?
Yes. He's a prince.
What?
I saw an advert to that effect. So, I wanted to know if you will accompany me to his place.
Oh my God. But babe, wait. Just hold on, okay? You need to take things easy.
How?
Okay? But you know what? You know I'm so busy these days. I can't make it. I can't make it. Just understand me.
Okay. I'll call you.
Okay? Take it easy.
Thank you.
My baby, in love.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is our bond. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this love is unbreakable, 'cause our word is our bond.
Your Highness, with the help of my friend Meg, we were able to improve him to the States.
Why didn't you come with that friend of yours?
I tried to, but she's very, very busy.
You people deserve a great reward for such service. Anyway, Chief Guy.
Yes, His Highness.
Let's go summon all my chiefs. My son is back. And that calls for celebration.
Okay, His Highness.
My heart seeks for you in my pain. My heart calls for you. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you. Take my hands and hold it for me. Look into my eyes and tell me that this
prince is back. Yes, he's back. He has returned. Yes.
Finally,
Yes,
the prince is back.
Yes, Doctor.
But I told you.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
We can't go.
Oh.
Finally, the prince is back.
Oh, my God.
That's all right.
So happy, Doctor. I'm so happy.
Honey, don't worry. I'll soon be back, okay? And you know, someone has to be at home. All right.
Mary. Mary. Not to worry, okay? Cheer up. Austin needs to see me. Cheer up, okay? I promise you I'll come back. Not to worry, I promise. It's a promise.
Sure.
Austin needs to see me. He needs to know I survived the accident. Okay? Okay. If both of you insist, I have no choice. Have a safe trip. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Go in, huh? Go.
I promise you, okay?
My chiefs, I greet you all.
Igwe.
You're welcome. My heart is filled with joy today because my son, who was lost and supposedly dead, is alive and back home. So I summoned all you here and the entire king's household to come and rejoice with me for the return of my son. We have a lot to drink and eat. So, eat and drink and make merry with me for the return of my son. What is it?
Someone is at the gate. He said his name is Dr. Moses and he wants to see you.
Someone? Okay, bring him in. Bring him in.
Look into my eyes and tell unbreakable, 'cause our world is apart.